Present here at Lings Power Sports in Norwich. Really pleased to be able to offer this 2020 Yamaha Tracer 900 GT. It's really well spec'd up, this bike, and ready to ride out on the road. As you can see, we've got the full set of luggage, including the side boxes and the back-rested padded top box. This bike's also fitted with a Black Widow exhaust, giving it that extra sound that we all like. We've also got a tinted Puig front screen and a set of fog lights which are fitted to the front and operated on the right hand side switch gear. This bike's had a full inspection through our workshop and really looking forward to getting it back out on the road. Do give us a call and we look forward to hearing from you soon.